A cold front stretching from the Great Lakes southwest through the central/southern plains and into the Rockies will continue southeastward the next couple of days, helping to support widespread shower and thunderstorm chances as well as keep temperatures on the cooler side for mid to late May. Rain chances will shift from the lower Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and middle Mississippi Valley Friday to the northeast, mid-Atlantic, and southeast on Saturday. Rainfall will be moderate to locally heavy at times, particularly for coastal New England Saturday. A low-pressure system off the Carolina coast will also help to locally enhance rainfall chances along the coast on Friday. High temperatures will be cool behind the front, with mostly 60s expected across the central/northern plains and upper Midwest. The low-pressure system and precipitation chances will also keep temperatures cool across the Carolinas and into the mid-Atlantic Friday, with low 70s generally in the forecast. Temperatures will be warmer ahead of the front through the interior northeast-southwest into the lower Great Lakes and Ohio/middle Mississippi Valley Friday, with 70s to low 80s expected, but will fall into the upper 60s to mid-70s Saturday following the passage of the front. Further southwest, storm development more parallel to the east-northeast/west-southwest oriented front of zigzags southward will increase the chances for repeated rounds of rainfall over portions of the southern plains. A pool of higher Gulf moisture over the region will also help promote heavier rain rates. A slight risk of excessive rainfall has been introduced centered over the Arc Latex where the highest chance for a few scattered instances of flash flooding due to this heavy rainfall resides. In addition, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined a slight risk of severe thunderstorms, level 2/5, for portions of the southern plains. Strong enough wind aloft at the tail end of an up-level trough should provide enough shear for some organized thunderstorms with the potential to produce a few instances of large hail and damaging winds, and possibly a tornado. High temperatures will be a bit above average from the lower Mississippi Valley into the southern plains Friday with upper 80s to low 90s expected. The cold front passing through will drop temperatures well below average Saturday for most locations inland from the Gulf Coast, with highs generally in the low to mid-70s. Meanwhile, in the west, an upper-level ridge will remain in place keeping temperatures above average for most of the region. The focus will once again be on the interior Pacific Northwest/Great Basin/Northern Rockies where highs Friday and Saturday will be running upwards of 15 to 25 degrees above average. Temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid-80s in the northern Rockies to the upper 80s to low 90s in the interior Pacific Northwest and Great Basin. Many of these highs across the interior Pacific Northwest/Great Basin will be near record-tying/breaking levels, with morning lows also being in record-tying/breaking warm low territory. The one cooler spot in the west will be portions of the central and southern Rockies, where a lingering frontal boundary as well as monsoon-like daily showers and thunderstorms will keep precipitation chances up and temperatures near to below average. Anomalously high moisture lingering in the region may lead to some locally heavy downpours and isolated flash flooding Friday, especially along terrain-sensitive areas and dry washes.